Hey guys, in DaVinci Resolve, by default, when we move clips into different tracks, as you can see, both the video and audio part of the clip will move to different tracks at the same time. Now, you can disable this synchronized behavior by going to timeline and then in the menu, deselect link to move across tracks. And now what happens is that we can move only the video or the audio part of a clip to a different track without affecting each other. And this can be especially helpful if the synchronized behavior was disrupting your timeline. However, the synchronization is not affected when we move the clips left and right. The reason is because this is controlled by linked clips and linked selection, which we discussed in a previous video. So I hope this quick tip helps, guys, and I will see you next time.